How to delete your BCBSM app account. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to delete your BCBSM app account without canceling your insurance policy, you may follow up these steps. So, first of all, log in into the browser or into the app of your BCBSM. Look out for the login option in the top right corner of the website or the application and basically use your credentials in order to log in. Select the account, whichever account you are. For example, your member account tab on members and log in into your portal using your credentials into your BCBSM. After you do so, once you are logged in order to delete your BCBSM app account, the next process you need to follow up is once you are logged in, you can locate up the hamburger menu in the upper left corner of your screen. And once reached over there, select the option called My Account. After that is done, you can just go ahead and find and click on the profile section within My Account area and look out for the delete account option, usually located under your profile name, and click on it. After that, the app will guide you through the remaining steps to finalize the account deletion process. And that way, you can just go ahead and delete your online account, and that's it. So, if you'd also like to delete your BCBSM app account, you may follow up these methods. So, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.